Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel where you will learn how to create a very basic Python program. So we will learn how to create a to-do list creator in Python. For that, open your Python shell and click new file here. This will open your Python editor. You can use your favorite IDE for this. We are using the default Python IDE. Now, first we will write comment like what is this program all about. This is to-do list creator in Python. Next we will create an empty list. After create, we will store all the tasks in this list. So we will append task in this list, and the append method will help us in adding more element to it. So create an empty list. Then we will use while loop. So while true, action is equal to, so we are going to use the input function. And input function, we are going to give three options to the user. Either they can add, remove, or show items. So remember, when you are using a loop, while true, so here we have the indentation. This gap here should be there, and this means that whatever we are writing, whatever expressions we are writing, are running inside this loop. So user can type add, can type remove or show. So if action is equal to add, then task will be input, enter task, and in the task list, which is task. So in the task list, we will append the task, whatever user has entered. Now user can enter two different other actions, like they can add remove or they can add show also. So else if action is equal to remove, if the user has entered remove, in that case we will task.pop 0. That means we will remove the tasks that are there. If task, else print no task. So if task is there, then we will remove this, else we will print there are no tasks. So we are kind of, you know, are doing some validation here. And if action is equal to show, so we will print whatever tasks are there in the program. Now the program is completed. We can simply save the program. So go here and click on save as, and we are going to save it as to do list. Now after saving as to do list, let's save it once again. So we are going to use the to do list folder. So it is saved in eCore Python codes to-do list.py. You can save it anywhere. Now when we will run it, so here it is asking us enter add, remove, or show. So we will say we want to add. Now it is asking us to enter task. So let's say our task is send email to John. Now it is asking us enter another task. So we will enter another task, sign up on Slidescope. Now it is asking another one more time. So you can see, because we have used while true, so while true, that's why it will always run, right? It will always give us this input message. Now let's say we want to see the task. So here you can see send email to John. It is giving us this, okay? And here, without entering add, we wrote sign up on Slidescope. That's why we did not get that output. So let's add that, and we will add that task, sign up on Slidescope. Now when we will say show, so now you will see in the list we have two items. And finally, if we want to remove, let's say remove, and then we will enter show. So you can see it has removed the first element from the list, because we have written here task.pop 0. Now let's remove this also. So let's press remove one more time, and now when we will enter show, it is going to show us an empty list. So although this is a very simple program, but it will help you in understanding concept of while loop. It will help you in understanding how to take input from user, how to use comparison operator equal to comparison operator, and how to use if and elif statements. So I hope you liked the tutorial. If you liked it, please like this video and subscribe to our channel, because we teach Python for data science and data analysis, and you will find many tutorial videos on our channel.